In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update AMD software Adrenalin Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update and use the AMD software Adrenalin Edition. In there, you can do many things. You can overclock your GPU, underclock your GPU, you can manage the drivers, manage your games, and all that you have to do is visit the official AMD website, click on Products, Software, Tools and Apps, and you will find it here under Graphics, Tools and Apps. You can also search for AMD Software Adrenalin Edition on Google. Now, all that you have to do is choose the option to download the software. Once you download the software, it will always be installed on your PC and it should be updated automatically, so you never have to visit this website again. If you are curious about some of the features, just read them here. And all that you have to do to install it is to run the executable file that you acquire. Now, if you right-click anywhere on the desktop, you will find the option available here, AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. It might take a while to open for the first time, but after it does, you will see the current driver version that you have for your graphics card. You will see any pending updates, you will see all of the games, and you can manage everything inside of the software. So this is how it looks. So you can go over to the different tabs at the top. To manage some of the options, you can configure the performance of your GPU and CPU if you would like to overclock, underclock, and everything is going to be available for you to manage. You can configure individual games or manage all of them at once. And as you can see at the top right option, driver and software, it will always check to see if you have the latest driver available for your GPU. If it detects that an update is needed, it is going to give you the option to update immediately from the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to update AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.